Hello, welcome my YouTube channel Tech Learn Pro. Today I will review with you Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and Z Flip 3 5G. First release August 27, 2021. Colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, Phantom Green. Connectivity network: 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. SIM: Nano SIM, electronic SIM card, eSIM, WLAN checkmark, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth checkmark, 5.2, A2DP, low, aptX HD, GPS checkmark, A GPS, GLONASS, BDS. Galileo USB V 3.20 TG yes, USB Type-C, NFC yes, body style horizontal foldable smartphone material, Gorilla Glass Victus front, folded plastic front, unfolded Gorilla Glass Victus back, aluminum frame, water resistance checkmark, IPX8, water resistant, up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Dimensions: 158.2 by 128.1 by 6.4 millimeters. Unfolded: 158.2 by 67.1 x 14.4-16 millimeters. Folded: weight 271 grams. Display size 7.6 inches. Resolution Full HD plus 1768 by 2208 pixels, 374 pixels per inch. Technology: foldable dynamic AMOLED 2x touch screen. Protection checkmark, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus when folded. No protection for unfolded display. Features: 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus 1200 nits. Peak stylus support. Cover display 6.2 inches. Dynamic AMOLED 2x 832 by 2268 pixels. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus back camera. Resolution triple 12 plus 12 plus 12 megapixel. Features: dual pixel PDAF OIS 123, ultrawide LED flash, HDR and more. Video recording: Ultra HD 4K 2160p. Front camera resolution 4 megapixel. Features f1.8 2.0 micrometers. Under display and more. Video recording: Ultra HD 4K 2160p. Euro Ice cover camera 10 megapixel, f2.2, 1/3, 1.22 micrometers. Battery type and capacity: lithium polymer 4400 mAh, non-removable. Fast charging checkmark, 25W. Fast battery charging. Wireless charging checkmark, 11W. Fast wireless charging. Reverse charging checkmark, 4.5W. Reverse wireless charging. Performance: operating system Android 11, One UI 3.1.1. Chipset: Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G, 5 nanometers. RAM: 12 GB. Processor: octa-core. Up to 2.84 GHz. GPU: Adreno 660. Storage: ROM 256 512 of a gigabyte. UFS 3.1. Sound features: loudspeaker, stereo speakers, AKG tuned, 32-bit 384 kHz audio. Security: fingerprint checkmark, side-mounted face unlock. Others: notification lights, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. More: Bixby, Samsung DeX, Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified, ultra-wideband, UWB.